Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
The Nintendo Switch does not include a dedicated Google app or full browser experience. The system ships with limited web functionality designed for captive portal use. Nintendo restricts system software to licensed apps and services only on the Switch. That restriction means Google services are not officially supported on the console. Workarounds that modify system software can void warranties and risk permanent bans. Keep that risk in mind before exploring any unofficial approaches. Use official apps and licensed services where available in the Nintendo eShop. You can access YouTube and other licensed Google-owned apps where offered on Switch. Media streaming apps often provide much of the same content as Google services. Use a smartphone or tablet to run full Google services and connect via HDMI or streaming apps. Nintendo eShop availability varies by region for apps and streaming services. Relying on official apps. Avoid modifying console firmware to prevent warranty voids and account bans. Instead, use other devices for full Google access, then stream or cast content to the TV. Use a laptop, phone, or tablet when you need Google Drive, Maps, or full web search. Keep your Switch system software and apps updated to maintain security and compatibility. If you need handheld web access, consider a small tablet that pairs easily with your Switch docked setup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.